welcome back to another video. We got the 𝙬𝙚𝙚 here. We're going to Winterjam 2021. We did not have Winterjam as of 2020, but this year they're back, we're going, and it's early. We're taking the 𝙬𝙚𝙚, obviously, which is less than ideal. As you can see, I sold the Renown, so I don't have that anymore. So we're back to the stock until I find an MTech 2. Yeah, other than that, we're good to go in the 𝙬𝙚𝙚. Check tire pressure, all that, whatever. Running a tad bit behind schedule. Of course, taking the 𝙬𝙚𝙚, it's gonna be eventful. And yeah, we can go pick up Cole and then we'll meet at Daniels and then we'll ride out. And then we'll get to the track and set up our shit. And we should be good to go. Yeah, I'm stoked to drive the 𝙬𝙚𝙚, but not in 30 degrees. It's gonna be 30 degrees all weekend, but you know, the usual. We are currently in the 𝙬𝙚𝙚. We're on our way. I'm holding up traffic, going slow because this is brutal. I didn't raise up the car and now I'm paying for it. So we should be good, but right now the rubbing is less than ideal. So yeah, hopefully we'll be good. We're cruising at like 75, 80. You can see how much we're moving in this thing. I stiffened up the BCs all the way up in the rear. And again, I was gonna adjust the car last night, but it was 30 degrees outside. But now that I think about it, I might have to adjust it once we get to the track, because I don't know if I want to drive home like this. Other than that, I'll see you guys at the track, or I'll film in between, I don't know. Peace. My car boy kicked the clutch like 6 times. I'm gonna put you on spot. This is Connor. I've known Connor forever. Connor's a famous TikTok guy. We all know him. Plug his TikTok right here.
𝙬𝙚𝙚 Connor.
Yep. So we're looking at the colors here. This is Techno and it looks blue. I don't think it picks up on camera, but when you look at Daytona and Techno, they're completely different. I don't know how people get them confused, but it's pretty cool to have both the cars here, because I've known this dude forever and I haven't seen his car, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, just to have the two cars together. So we might shoot him, whatever. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Don't trust this guy driving. I don't know what we're listening to, but we're slapping. He got the gangster lean. And he's driving fast as fuck because the shit's not that low. We're going to pick up Breno because he fucking Ubered here. Oh, we're Ubered!
What the fuck? What's
up, dude? We got a car full of fucking dudes in the Techno.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, this is my boy. Long time no see. He came all the way from ATL.
All the way from ATL, man.
And he made it out here. He Ubered this morning.
Had to hit the Uber, had to come see the boys, had to come meet the boys. Had to come check out the cars.
He's here for today. I never met this dude, but I talked to this dude forever. Same with Connor. Introduce you to Connor. But hopefully
if YouTube makes me some money, we can get out to Georgia and we'll go hit up Georgia's drift events. We can hang out with all the Georgia homies. So
nah, yeah, he's coming to Georgia. We're hanging out in Georgia. He's gonna ride in my drift car. I got an 𝙬𝙬𝙚 too.
Well, that's what I'm saying, guys. Go check out his channel. I'll link it down below. Sickest, best, honestly the best content. This dude makes the best content. I make like shit posts, but my dude makes really good content. Like if you guys want to see quality shit, like compared to like Night Ride or whatever, just check him out. Link in bio. He's dropping merch soon. So yeah. We in the M345 right now.
Smoking crack.
Smoking crack. He got the gangster lean and he drives this shit fast in the mud for no reason. This dude.
He's just hitting the fuck out of his car over there. I had to film that. I don't even care.
That's from Montana.
E30 wagon.
Look at the hitch.
LS and S2K. Look at that.
Yo, homie right here. It's our ESRs.
GTO heaven right now. Almost bought one, but I didn't. The Dakar faded its plus. Yeah. Got Connor's sedan. Got my coupe. But we're just getting some photos before the sun goes down, before it gets even colder, but it's a cool 30 degrees.
If it gets any colder, man, my balls gonna freeze off, man. They gonna fall.
Damn, this looks crazy. Even on camera, this looks crazy. All right, we got the cars. It's cold. It's still 30 degrees. Breno came all the way out, ATL.
I had to see the boys.
He had to show up. It was sweet. I'm so stoked that he showed up. Connor showed up. He made it.
Didn't blow up.
Didn't blow up.
Didn't blow up. His brakes almost stopped working right here.
He almost hit my car.
That would have been bad.
That would have been kind of funny.
Cool as fuck. That would have been
cool.
Hey, I hit the cool ass car.
But yeah, it's really cool to meet your internet homies.
Yo,
so.
spam in the comments if you want to see content from Tyler in Atlanta. He'll pull up, stay with me, and I'll show him around the city. And you guys better fucking get him to 1K so he can get that damn tattoo. Where are you getting it again? On your lip?
It was supposed to be December 15th. It passed.
Right here.
No,
Yeah.
it passed?
Yeah.
No, you still got to do it. If
Yeah,
y'all
we'll go to
get
ATL, I'll do it.
Okay. Whenever he comes to ATL, he's getting it.
Tyler, I'm getting mine right here.
Yeah, me too. We'll get.
Okay, match.
Matching one.
Yep. All right.
Hell yeah, dog.
One more
Catch
time.
you guys. Peace.
SS Corvette motor. Got a bulletproof truck, man, that bitch 130.
Gonna neutral drop it or?
Big fucking action. Let me get it in first. Brakes. So we have successfully made it back. I know the footage is probably super grainy because it's super dark out. But anyways, E36 made it. We're gonna get the E92 and we'll switch them out. E36 did great. It rubbed the whole time though, all because I was lazy and didn't want to raise it. But we didn't DB a tire or anything, so that's super good. I want to give a huge shout out to every single person that came up and, you know, introduced themselves, said what's up. A lot of people said they were following this car from TikTok, or a lot of people had seen it on Instagram or whatever. But I thought that was super cool. Good handful of people came up, so I really appreciate that. This was kind of like the final hurrah for this car, at least for the next few months, because the interior is on its way and I kind of bit off more than I can chew with that. So I'm gonna want to do a lot of things with that interior. I'll go into it in a separate video on the whole plan. So the E36 doesn't go anywhere, but there's gonna be lots of content on it. It just probably won't come out of the garage or the storage unit for the next 6 months or so, or at least for the winter. But I can't wait to get started on that car. It's been kind of too long since I've neglected some of the maintenance, and V2 is going to be pretty cool. With that all being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really cool to get out to Winterjam. They didn't do it last year, so it was nice to go out. It's cool that Breno came all the way out from Georgia. Connor was there. A good amount of my friends were there, so it was super cool. And stay tuned for more, because the E36 content is coming. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing, all of that. We're almost at 1K, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.